In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best beach chairs that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Coleman Oversized Quad Chair. Coleman has been making outdoor gear for decades. It's no wonder they have the chair thing mastered. The 24-inch seat is one of the largest on the market, even for so-called big chairs. The back is cushioned to provide extra support and comfort. The steel frame is lightweight but sturdy. Coleman's weight capacity is an impressive 325 pounds. The chair comes with mesh cup holders and a built-in cooler. The fabric is polyester, so it's durable but comfortable. Folding them up for storage is pretty easy. The chair comes with a storage bag and carrying strap for easy transport. Coleman put together what is essentially the perfect chair here. It fits most people and will meet most people's needs. Number 2. Tommy Bahama Beach Chair. Who can you trust more than Tommy Bahama when it comes to beach gear? You have a rust-proof aluminum frame that is lightweight and sturdy. It's adjustable to 5 positions, including laying perfectly flat. It also comes with a convenient towel bar on the back. And, of course, there's a cooler for your cold drinks. They call this a backpack beach chair because that's just what it is. You don't need the hassle of carrying a chair, right? You can use the adjustable backpack straps to sling this onto your back and carry it wherever. That leaves your hands free for the rest of your gear. Number 3. Sportrella 3-Position Recliner Beach Chair. If you need a premium, relaxing day at the beach, welcome to the Sportrella Recliner Chair. This thing is like a lazy boy for the sand. Just take a look at some of the features. You have a shade umbrella to protect you from the sun that swivels to where you need it. There are insulated pockets that can hold up to 4 drinks. The storage pocket even has a built-in bottle opener. You have 3 positions to recline into. There's an adjustable and removable footrest. Don't be surprised if you just fall asleep in this chair. Number 4. Quik Shade Max Shade Chair. The beach is often a strange struggle between wanting sun and avoiding sun. It's nice to have the option to escape, but the beach is not known for shade. Luckily, the Quik Shade Max chair fixes that problem for you. The adjustable canopy is simple to raise and lower. That makes altering the amount of shade you get pretty easy. The seat is wide and can handle up to 225 pounds. It's comfortable and lightweight, even with the added shade. The frame is made of steel for durability. Added features include a higher back than you'll find on many chairs. There are also 2 cup holders and a mesh side pouch for storage. Number 5. Kajaro Dual Lock Chair. One of the worst things anyone can endure with a beach chair is a total collapse. You try to stand up or sit down in a breeze and it folds up shop on you. That leaves you flopped in the sand, maybe bruised and injured from parts of the chair. It's annoying and uncomfortable. Well, Kajaro had your back. This dual lock chair is as sturdy gets. You won't have this thing fold up until you want it to. The frame and the seat itself are rock solid but still comfortable. Sometimes the fabric in the center of a beach chair can feel like a hammock you sink right into. If you want firm but comfortable support, this chair hits the mark.